Hey there, let's talk about your home. Ever catch yourself looking at it and thinking, man, it's just lost some of that sparkle? Well, today we're going to break down exactly what it takes to get that original beauty back and make your curb appeal absolutely pop. I mean, really think about it. That fresh, clean look your home had when you first moved in, is it still there? Or have the years and the weather started to leave their mark in ways you've kind of just gotten used to seeing every day? Every single home, no matter how amazing it is in a constant fight with Mother Nature. And over time, this slow, creeping layer of grime starts to build up and just dulls everything. So, what exactly is this stuff that's hiding in plain sight?
It's sneaky, right? It happens so gradually you barely even notice. That bright siding, that clean roof, that perfect driveway, they just start to look a little tired. And we're not just talking about dust here. It's a stubborn mix of things that slowly eats away at that wow factor your home used to have.
Okay, so the main culprits? They're actually alive. We're talking about things like moss, mold, algae, and bacteria that are literally feeding on the surfaces of your house. And those ugly black streaks you always see on roofs? That's a specific kind of algae that's munching on the limestone in your shingles, which can seriously shorten the life of your roof. So, we've figured out the problem, but the solution has to be smart and, most importantly, safe. This is not about just blasting away the dirt with brute force. It's about using the right technique so you don't accidentally damage your own home. And really, there are two totally different ways to go about this. On one hand, you have high-pressure methods, which can be super risky. They can blast water behind your siding, which is a perfect recipe for mold, or they can chip paint and even scar the surface of brick or stone. The much, much smarter way is a gentle wash technique. So here's the secret sauce. It's all about a smart combo. You use low pressure. We're talking no more powerful than a garden hose, really, to protect your home's surfaces. At the same time, specialized biodegradable cleaners do all the heavy lifting. They break down the dirt, the mold, and the algae at a molecular level, so it can all be rinsed away gently and safely. But here's the thing, this gentle approach isn't a one-size-fits-all deal. A real pro knows how to customize the solution for each different material, because what you'd use on concrete is definitely not what you'd want to use on a beautiful wood deck. And this is really where you get that peace of mind. Doesn't matter if your home is covered in vinyl, classic brick, stone, stucco, or wood. A professional soft wash is specifically designed to be tough on grime, but completely safe on your home, protecting your biggest investment while getting it sparkling clean. And let's be honest, a full makeover isn't just about the walls. To get that truly polished look, you have to think about the whole picture. Imagine it, a perfectly clean roof, windows so clear they sparkle, gutters that actually work, and a driveway that looks brand new. It all works together. Now, having the right technique is absolutely crucial, but it's only half the story. The other half is all about trust, knowing that the people working on your property are total professionals who are going to treat your home with respect. These right here, these are the non-negotiables. It means showing up when they say they will. It means being fully licensed and insured so you're protected. And it means using skilled technicians and top-of-the-line equipment to make sure the job gets done right the very first time. A bold promise like this isn't just some catchy slogan. It comes from a long history of doing great work, built one happy customer and one sparkling home at a time. And a satisfaction guarantee? That's the ultimate safety net. It completely removes the risk for you as the homeowner. It basically says the job is not done until you are 100% happy with how your home looks. Simple as that. Okay, so we know the problem, we've got the safe solution. What's the next step? Well, kicking off this whole transformation for your home is actually incredibly simple. And this right here gets to the heart of it all. This is about so much more than just cleaning. It's about bringing back that feeling of pride you get when you pull into the driveway and just love what you see. It's about having a home you're excited to show off to your friends and family. The whole process is designed to be completely stress-free. It all starts with a simple quote, so you know exactly what's involved. Then you just schedule a time that works for you. And finally, the best part, you just get to kick back and relax while the pros handle the entire job. So for everyone in the Northern Atlanta area, here's all the info you need to get started. A direct phone number and email make taking that first step as easy as it gets. And that brings us to the final question. After seeing what's causing the problem, knowing there's a safe solution, and a professional promise to back it up, are you ready to see your home truly sparkle again?